So Apple just did it again, but did they actually change anything, or are we just getting another overpriced camera bump? The iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of the biggest iPhone upgrades in years. And today we're diving deep into leaks, rumors, and exclusive insights that are making tech enthusiasts and Apple's competitors very, very nervous. We're talking about a radical new camera design, which may or may not be a genius move, an A19 Pro chip so powerful it might finally make the iPad obsolete, Apple's in-house 5G modem, because why share profits with Qualcomm? The return of aluminum, or as our UK viewers say, aluminium. Is this a downgrade or a strategic genius move? And yes, we'll also answer the burning question. Is this the iPhone that finally makes you upgrade? Stick around, because what you're about to hear might just change how you see the future of iPhones. All right, let's start with the most controversial leak, the camera bump, or should I say the camera bar. Yes, leaks suggest that Apple is moving to a horizontal triple lens layout for the first time. Sounds cool, right? But here's the plot twist. This might actually be a huge problem for spatial video recording. If you remember, Apple introduced spatial video with the iPhone 15 Pro for the Vision Pro, but spatial video works best with vertically aligned cameras. So, how is Apple planning to pull this off? Will they use AI magic to fix perspective? Will they introduce some crazy new sensor shift tech? Or did they just forget about the Vision Pro entirely? Tim, are you okay? Either way, the camera design shift is big, and if Apple goes through with it, it could change how we use iPhone cameras forever. Speaking of cameras, let's talk numbers. For years, Samsung has been flexing its high megapixel sensors, while Apple has been like, now we'll just make our 12 megapixel camera better. But now all three cameras on the iPhone 17 Pro Max are rumored to be 48 megapixels. That's right, 48 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide, 48 megapixel telephoto. And why does this matter? Because higher megapixels equals better digital zoom and lossless cropping. Right now, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra still dominates in zoom quality with its periscope lens, but with 48 megapixels across all lenses, Apple might finally give Samsung a serious fight. If this leak is true, get ready for some next-level photography and video quality. Now, let's talk about hats under the hood. The A19 Pro chip. This is where things get crazy. Apple is expected to use a 2-nanometer manufacturing process, making the A19 Pro faster than anything before it. More power efficient, meaning better battery life. A direct competitor to the latest Snapdragon Elite processors. And here's the best part, AI. Apple is rumored to be making AI-powered optimizations at the chip level, meaning faster Siri responses, better computational photography, and even real-time video enhancements. Does this mean your iPhone will start generating AI essays for you? Probably not. But will it make everyday tasks insanely fast and fluid? Oh yeah. Now here's something that could shake up the smartphone industry. Apple is rumored to be ditching Qualcomm's 5G modems and making their own in-house 5G and Wi-Fi 7 chips. Why is this a big deal? Because Apple loves control. When they stopped using Intel chips in Macs and built their own M-series processors, they completely outperformed the competition. Now, imagine that same level of efficiency and performance for mobile data and Wi-Fi. Faster speeds, better connectivity, and potentially way more efficient battery usage. This could be one of the biggest long-term changes Apple makes to the iPhone. Raise your hand if you've ever said, why doesn't the iPhone have more RAM? Well, good news, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to have 12 gigabytes of RAM. For context, the Galaxy S25 Ultra has 12 gigabytes of RAM. Most high-end Android phones start at 12 gigabytes. The iPhone 16 Pro Max only has 8 gigabytes. More RAM means better multitasking, smoother performance, and longer software support. In short, Apple is finally catching up. Now, this one's interesting. Apple might be moving away from full titanium and bringing back aluminum. Why? Probably because titanium is expensive and Apple wants to increase profit margins. Aluminum is lighter, which could make the phone more comfortable to hold. It's a strategic mix of materials to balance strength, weight, and cost. Some people might see this as a downgrade, but if Apple does it right, this could actually make the phone feel even better. So, now that we've gone over all the major leaks, the big question is, should you upgrade to the iPhone 17 Pro Max? If you have an iPhone 15 or older, this might be the biggest upgrade in years. But if you're rocking an iPhone 16 Pro Max, it really depends on, do you care about the new camera system? Do you want the A19 Pro chip for better battery and AI features? Are you excited about Apple's in-house 5G? Either way, this is shaping up to be one of the most exciting iPhone releases yet. What do you think? Would you upgrade to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, or are you waiting for an even bigger leap? Drop a comment below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech reviews. Peace out.